Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your internship abroad with Intern Abroad HQ. Step to activate your internship abroad with Intern Abroad HQ, start by visiting their official website. Explore the internship opportunities available in various fields and countries. Select the internship that aligns with your career goals and interests. Click on the program to view detailed information about the duration, costs, and requirements. Create an account on the website if you haven't already. Fill out the application form with your personal and educational details. Make sure to highlight your motivations for pursuing this internship. Upload your resume and any required documents as specified in the application. Submit your application and wait for a confirmation email. Once your application is accepted, you will receive further instructions via email. Follow the provided guidelines to secure your placement. Prepare for an interview if required by the program. After successfully completing the interview, await your official acceptance letter. Review all the details in the acceptance letter carefully. Begin organizing your travel arrangements, including flights and accommodations. Check if you need a visa for your destination country and apply accordingly. Confirm your internship start date and make a note of any pre-departure orientations. Finalize your travel insurance to cover your time abroad. Stay in touch with your program coordinator for any updates or requirements. Prepare for your internship experience by researching the host country and its culture. Pack appropriately for your time abroad, considering both professional attire and personal items. Arrive at your destination and attend any orientation sessions scheduled by Intern Abroad HQ. Start your internship and embrace this opportunity for growth and learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.